Christmas movies on the screen. Christmas music in the official The Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt mall. But nothing is as festive as the moment you tell me I'm all you want this year. If they forgot to or just want to take a chance on there being a crowd, then they can do that as well. With official The Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirt, hoodie, sweater, ladies tee, and long-sleeved hoodie, ladies tee, long-sleeved sweater. We have a little bit of everything, so official The Golden Girls Savage Classy Bougie Ratchet shirts. Let's do this. First off, we have a brand new bundle, in tune with the gorgeous weather outside. I don't think being trampled and pepper sprayed by some crazed maniac trying to be the first one in the door at Walmart is very jolly. This is the season to wish one another love, joy, and peace. A joyful and lovely week of Christmas 2020 will bring happiness and peace to all the Christians in the world. From Austrian Linzer cookies and French other products,